Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout of my niece at the park swinging on the swing sets. My background is Pink Paisley Paige Evans Horizon number 8. Those paper layers are going to be all pretty much scraps from past kits. Just watching the squirrel come to slowly make his way down from the tree. Little stinker. Alright, anyway. Phew, it's hot. Feels warm in here. Usually I have my air set at 77, and with my ceiling fans, ceiling fans, I never shut them off. They stay running 24/7. And usually I'm cold with it set at 77, but man, having it set at 77 in the afternoon, especially like right now, it'll raise to like 81 or 82, so I have to set it at 75. And then at night I freeze. But right now ugh, feels like it raised, because sometimes even set at 75, the AC will raise to 79. Well, it's like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to know what my electric bill is going to be. Anyway, so I did white gesso in the areas in where my photos and my an embellishment cluster is going to go. So my die cuts are Chasing Rainbows ephemera from the Hip Kit Club. And then so here we go. These are the Chasing Rainbows, the Hip Kit Club's Chasing Rainbows. Oh, goody. Oh, nope, he's eating the seeds and not the corn, little brat. Maybe I shouldn't have got the corn on the cob for the squirrels and got the corn and seeds food for the squirrels. Oh my god. Alright, anyway. So here we go. Huh? Can I help you? No, you're not. You're pretending. Because I don't have candy for you to eat. After I'm done with these videos, you want ice cream?
Yeah.
Alright, then go play your game and I'll be there shortly. I have one more left to do.
Okay.
Alright?
Another cooking game, guys.
And when I'm done, then I'll play some cooking games with you, okay?
Okay.
Alright. We can because Daddy's not here.
Yeah.
So he won't say we're obsessed with him. Alright, so I'm just laying out the butterflies, the acetate butterflies.
How come they're not
Those
wanting
are
fries?
Hip Kit Club's Chasing Rainbows as
How
well.
come they're not wanting fries anymore? I got them.
Because you have them, that's why. They say, oh, he has fries, so I don't longer want the fries. Is that how far I got you?
This is cooking hot.
I don't think I did hot cooking.
Oh shoot.
Better hurry up.
Oh, now they're one fries. There's one.
Okay. At least he didn't make you waste your time. Alright, so I'm just trying to figure out what else I can use for this layout. But I think this pretty much...
Oh my gosh, I need one customer. They make you watch an ad.
Yep. At least you only need one customer.
Yeah. Why do you whine at me? I scare him?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's probably like, I'm napping, leave me alone.
Then Mouse will leave you.
I think he says, you want to go back and visit someone else?
No.
Alright.
Ah!
Alright, so then I'm going to do my title. And swing, because I do swing high, swing low. So swing is Hip Kit Club's Chasing Rainbows alpha stickers, which you see there. And then high and low are, American Crafts chill thickers. And both of these came in this kit. Oh yeah, Cookie Madness. That's the one that we always played.
It sucks.
It was hard. It did get hard. But that one's Cooking Madness 2019.
Because it just got updated.
And then here's low. And so once I do,
Oh!
once I do my title, that is pretty much going
14
to,
out of 18.
yeah, I wouldn't have done an ad for that because you only get one customer, silly. See? All right, so I end up doing swing high at the top and swing low at the bottom.
Ad for gems.
For swing high and it's high, and then swing low and the title's low. That's where
Cooking diary.
I went with that. Yep.
Oh, fries.
And then yep.
You only get 2.
Oh, I know. And you're on my. Now you stopped my recording. You did something. Alright, so when I have that done, then that pretty much is going to complete this layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.